Hello everyone, welcome to Art-Tuts origami series. Monsoon is here and today we are going to make an origami umbrella in 2 steps. We will need 7 colorful origami square papers of 7 centimeters, black square paper 8 centimeters, 2 black strips of 0.5 into 7 centimeters, 1 black strip of 1 centimeter into 7 centimeters, scissors and white glue. A stick for applying glue. The colorful papers we will use for umbrella top and the black paper we will use for the stick and handle. Now let's keep all aside and just use colorful papers. Let's begin. Take 1 color square paper. Match the bottom corner to the top corner and press it nicely to create a diagonal. Now fold the right side of this triangular shape to its bottom. Fold it to make a crease. Now open it. Connect the right corner to the center marking we just created. This looks like this. Now this flap will go inside of the pocket in the left side. We will repeat this for all the pieces, but let's take a recap of what we just did. And this way we have completed all the 7 pieces or units. Steps to assemble the umbrella top. Let's check the steps to assemble this umbrella top. There are 7 different colors, so we can arrange them from light to dark in an alternate manner this way. Let's observe one piece. This is a big triangle on the left, then a pocket and a flap. Hold the unit or the piece this way. Take another piece, insert the small flap inside of the pocket. While doing this, we can apply a glue to secure it. Now we have put all the 6 flaps inside of the pockets. Now the last flap is at the back. We will bring it in the front like this. Now we'll put it inside of the pocket at the left and paste it to secure. Once all of the flaps are secure, turn it back. See these small corners? Put them at the back of the side and lock them. Nicely tuck them inside like this, one by one. So our first step is done. The top of the umbrella is ready. Isn't it looking pretty? Take the black paper, roll from the corner like this. Once it is set like this, you can hold it in your hand and roll it like this. Tightly. Take a nice thin stick. If you feel that it is loose, open it and roll it again tightly. When you come up to the half, roll it up to the end, put a glue and stick it. This bottom, you can press it a bit like this and give it a shape. You can use a pencil to make the shape. Roll this pressed part on the pencil to give it a shape like this. Cut this corner. Make it straight. You can also make the handle straight instead of round. Now the other end, press it a bit and twist it. Twist it to make a point because this part we have to put inside the top of the umbrella. Now we'll put the strips, one at the handle, and the bigger strip we are going to paste it here so that under the umbrella stays in this position. So let's do it one by one. First, apply the glue to the smaller strip, paste it here, hold it for some time and roll it until the end. Put a glue and paste it. The 1 centimeter strip we are going to put it on the top like a stopper. Apply the glue, roll it until the end and put a glue and paste the end. Our stick and the handle is ready. Now we can put it inside of this. We can make a hole with a pencil and this will go inside. You can put some glue and put it inside. The glue makes it little secure. Now this top part we have to stick the smaller strip again, like same how we had put it on the bottom near the handle. Put a little glue, hold it for some time. Now roll it completely up to the end and secure it with glue. See an extra point on the top which you can cut it off. Our colorful umbrella is ready now for the monsoon. Do share with us these colorful umbrellas in our community WhatsApp group. Let us know in the comment which origami model you would like to learn with us. See you!